Hey guys, welcome back to Rajtech India. This video is about what are some disadvantages of liquid funds. Unlike some other debt funds, liquid funds doesn't carry any credit risk and interest rate risk. In liquid funds, the fund manager will invest our money in bonds like treasury bills, government securities, repurchase agreements, and certificates of deposits and commercial papers. And as per SEBI rules, the maximum maturity of these bonds should be up to 91 days. So these bonds doesn't carry any credit risk and at the same time any interest rate risk. But there are some minor disadvantages with these liquid funds, in which the first one is whenever the fund manager invests our money in low quality bonds, then it will become difficult to sell those bonds. So it will cause the liquidity issue. And the second one is whenever we invest in liquid funds in which there is no instant redemption facility, that means insta redemption facility, then we have to wait for at least 2 to 3 days to get our money in our bank account. So always choose liquid funds where they provide insta redemption facility. Under this facility, we will get 90% of our total investment with a daily limit of 50,000 rupees. That means you can withdraw up to 50,000 rupees per day immediately after doing redemption. So these are some minor disadvantages of liquid funds. But when compared to the savings banks deposits, liquid funds are always a better option because they provide better interest rate when compared to the savings bank deposits. And at the same time, whenever you keep your money in liquid funds, then you don't use it for some other purposes which you don't require. But when you keep your money in savings banks deposit, then you will use that money for some unnecessary things. So it is always better to keep your money in liquid funds in order to fulfill your short-term goals. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please share and subscribe to Rajtech India. Thank you.